In today's video, I'm going to teach you about guiding your team with Google and how to leverage Jira Service Management effectively. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just stepping into the world of project management, understanding the nuances of Jira can significantly enhance your team's productivity and operation. To kick things off, you'll want to begin by accessing Jira. You can navigate to the site easily through your preferred web browser. Think of Jira as your central hub for managing projects and tracking the progress of various tasks. Once you're logged into your Jira account, you step into an ecosystem designed to streamline how you and your team manage workflows, assign responsibilities, and meet project deadlines. The intuitive dashboard gives you an overview of your projects, helping you keep tabs on what's due and what needs attention without the overwhelm. Now let's dive into understanding what Jira Service Management is all about. With Jira Service Management, your main goal is to effectively receive, track, manage, and resolve requests from your team's customers. This tool becomes your ally by simplifying the categorization of service requests, incidents, problems, and changes. Managing these elements becomes more efficient when everything is organized and prioritized in one place. This kind of streamlined system not only fosters better organization, but also ensures that your team is on top of its service level agreements, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. Another great feature of Jira Service Management is that it provides multiple avenues for customers to submit requests to your team. They can do this through help centers, an embeddable widget, or even via email or APIs. Each of these channels ensures that your team is easily accessible and that customer issues are promptly logged. This variety in submission methods underscores the importance of flexibility in communication, which is crucial for maintaining positive client relationships. As we wrap up this exploration, remember that one of the fundamental strengths of Jira Service Management lies in its ability to keep your team aligned and focused on shared objectives. The benefits include improved communication, reduced response times, and increased overall efficiency. When leveraged correctly, this tool can transform the way you and your team handle project management and customer interactions. That's it for our quick guide to getting started with Google and understanding the basics of Jira Service Management. With these insights, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in navigating the complexities of team and customer management. If you need further assistance or have specific questions, don't hesitate to dive deeper into Jira's resources or reach out to your community of fellow Jira users. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for tuning in.